In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Project 2024. So first, let's open up a browser and then type in Office Customization Tool, and then click on the first link that you see. And then over here in this page, you'll see a bunch of tabs here, or drop-down menus that you can open. Click on the first one, Products and Releases, and here select your architecture. 64-bit is the usual. And under Office Suites, select the Microsoft 365 apps for Enterprise. If you want a Visio product as well, you can select it right here. But in this case, we want a project product. So select project product and select the most latest version, Project Professional 2024. And for additional products, select language pack. And for the update channel, select monthly enterprise channel and keep the version as latest. Under the apps section, here you'll see all the apps that will be included in your deployment. Just enable or disable any of these apps if you already have them. If you already have those or you don't want them, you can disable it just like that. In this case, I'm just going to disable all of them. This means that only Microsoft Project will be downloaded in this deployment. Now click Next. For language, you can select your own language here, your preferred one. And now click Next. And now here you can just skip it and click Next. And for under upgrade options here, just disable this option right here. And now you can just click Next. And we're pretty much done here, so you can just keep on clicking Next until you see the finish. Just click Finish and then click on Export. And now over here, select Office Open XML Formats and then click OK. Accept the terms and then export. Here you'll say the configuration.xml could harm your device. Don't worry about that. This is from Microsoft, so this is not going to harm your device. Let's click Keep and open it in the folder. And then over here, you want to cut this configuration that you just downloaded. So just click Control X, or you can right click Cut. And now go to your desktop or anywhere and make a new folder. And then call this whatever you want, Office or Custom Office or Office Download. And now you can open it and click Control V or Paste. This will paste the download you just downloaded here. Now you can minimize this and go back to the browser. And here you want to search for Office Deployment Tool. Click on the first link. And then it's usually just set up. Just select language English and then click download. And then you want to open the folder it's contained in. And then over here, you want to run this as administrator. Click yes. Accept the terms and then continue. And over here, you want to locate where you made that folder. That's called, for me, it's called Custom Office. I made it in the desktop. So it's right here, Custom Office, and then click OK. And once it says files extracted successfully, click OK. You can now close all of these windows and go to your Custom Office folder. You'll see that there's an extra folder and a setup.exe. For the extra folder, you can just delete that. You don't really need it. And for the setup.exe, this you keep that and the configuration.xml. Now what you want to do is copy the path of this folder. So just click over here and then / Control C to copy. And now you want to open up a command prompt. Run it as administrator. Yes. And then over here you want to do CD and then space and then quotation, double quotation. Paste in that path and then close up the quotation marks and then click enter. And now over here you want to type in setup.exe /configure and then space configuration.xml. Hit enter. And now the download for Microsoft Project should start. You can now just close this command prompt. You don't need it anymore. So you can just close it. And you can also close the folder. And now you just wait for this installation to finish. You can see the setup or the progress for this under right here. as you can see. It says 2% right now. And once it's done, as you can see, the only icon that's showing here is Microsoft Project icon. So just wait for it to download. So as you can see, the installation just finished. So you can just click on close. And once you go and search for a project, you'll find it. You can open it too. And yeah, now you can just start using Microsoft Project. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.